So what I'm going to do in this video is show you 5 digital products that's made me over $260,000. As you can see, over a period of time, I've made over $715,000 overall, but I just want to focus on the 5 digital products that have made me over $260,000. And if we scroll down here, you can see these 5 digital products right here. We have the ultimate vendors list. This right here is the ultimate vendors list is 3,000 vendors. So whenever people want to start, like, let's say a physical product business, they need access to vendors, and these vendors are their connections. People want to purchase this kind of list. These lists are so valuable. I personally ran across a woman doing over $100,000 a month with just selling only a vendors list. So whenever you are selling vendors lists, they are extremely powerful because, again, people want access to these lists, because if they want to launch their own business or start their own brand or their company, they need access to these kind of lists. And whenever you can sell it to them, that's a lot of money in the bank. The second is simple credit repairs. You can see $69,325 with this ebook right here. We already know why credit repair is so powerful. Everybody wants to repair their credit. So if there's somebody with a low credit score and they can purchase information that will help them raise their credit score, that is a very, very powerful thing, because you need good credit to do just about anything. So if you need good credit to do just about anything, then, common sense is going to tell you that an ebook that's giving you information on how to raise your credit score, people will pay for this all day long. Something like this right here, something like simple credit repair. This is something that you can sell for even $99. So if a person want to get a loan to purchase their home or to buy a car, do you not think that they'll buy an ebook for $99 if they can raise their credit score and get their home or get their car? I believe most people will pay $99 all day long, and that's why this is a very powerful ebook right here. How to make passive income with Airbnb. This is one thing that I found that is very popular. As you can see, $36,000 made right here. This is very popular because everybody wants to make the passive income. And there's so many different ways that this ebook right here teaches with how people can start making money with Airbnb. Everything from, of course, if you decide to purchase the Airbnb cash or get a bank loan, financing the Airbnbs, just many different ways that you can make money with Airbnb. And this is what this ebook right here teaches. And people want to learn this kind of stuff because, just like I mentioned with the credit repair, if it's something that can change their life for the better, help them bring in passive income around the clock, trust me, people are going to do that. You may be one of those people that want an Airbnb that can bring you in thousands of dollars or even tens of thousands of dollars every single month. And an ebook like this, if it can help you do just that, you're going to purchase it most likely. Let's scroll down. We got the social media marketing bundle. This is a bundle right here that's going to teach different social media marketing strategies right here. This solves a problem because people have products for sale, but people don't know how to market those digital products. And if you can give them a social media marketing bundle that will teach them how to market on Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, Threads, really every different platform, no matter what platform they are on, they have an ebook right here that's going to teach them how to market on that specific platform. So this solves a problem right here as well. As you can see, the first 4 right here solves a nice problem. Now, NFT Revolution, this right here made over $34,000. But as we already know, NFTs, they ran themselves into the ground. So even though this sold a nice amount of times right here, this is not an ebook that I would personally sell again, because NFTs, once again, they have almost ran into the ground. Everybody that owned NFTs and that made a lot of money with it, or people that was holding on to their NFTs, they're worth basically nothing now. So I would not sell this ebook right here anymore. But I also have other ebooks that made tens of thousands of dollars, as you can see, just like right here, tens of thousands of dollars, with simple PDFs. So you may be asking yourself, how can you make this kind of money selling ebooks? Well, I've been doing this for many years. I've been selling ebooks since 2009. So it's been so many years, nearly 20 years, that I've personally been selling them. But I didn't really start selling the PLR ebooks really heavy until 2020. Now, I sold them back in 2013, 14, really heavy, but I didn't sell them nowhere near as heavy that I'm selling them now. So I just dabbed into it and kind of tested the waters in 2013, 2014. And I made a nice amount of money, but it's nothing compared to what you see right here. I was not selling 5 different ebooks and making over nearly $300,000. I mean, I was making $10,000, $20,000, but I wasn't making nearly $300,000 like you see right here in this video. So all I'm going to tell you is you don't have to have hundreds of digital products in order to make money online. You really don't. All you need to do is you need to focus on solving problems. And 5 of these ebooks right here solves a problem. This right here solves the problem of somebody wanting to start physical product business and they need suppliers. This right here solves a problem because it helps people repair their credit. This right here solves a problem because people want to make money with Airbnb, and most people are gatekeeping information. And this is a super premium ebook right here that reveals all of that information and gives them the information that they need. This solves a problem because people have products for sale, digital products, and don't know how to market them. So if you are focused on solving problems, selling digital products, you do not need 100 different ebooks or 100 different PDFs to make a very livable income online. Let's take this one example right here with the vendors list, $83,000. You just got to ask yourself, if you were to make $83,000 on top of maybe your 9-to-5 job income in 2026, how much would that change your life? I'm sure you would agree that that would change your life a whole lot. So that is the power of selling premium information, just like you see right here on the screen. Now, when it comes to premium information, it's very hard to come by because I personally see a lot of people selling PLR digital products online, and these products are straight trash. I mean, they're not products that anybody would want to keep at all. They're not valuable. They're just generated with AI and they just straight suck. But these products right here I had these products created. I paid people thousands of dollars to write these ebooks, come up with the images and all of that on the inside. So this is what I call super premium ebooks and PDFs versus the trash that you may see going around online. Now, you may be a person that's tried to make money selling ebooks before, and you have personally not had any luck with making money selling ebooks. Well, I can tell you right now, whenever you get your hands on premium ebooks like these, the proof is in the pudding. As you can see, there's a lot of money to be made. So premium digital products is where the real money is made, because whenever somebody downloads a digital product, they can tell immediately if it's trash or if it's premium that can actually help solve their problem. So again, if you have your hands on premium digital products, that's where the real money is made. Now, most of the money right here, this $260,000, 90% of this came from 2 traffic sources, and that's Pinterest and Google Ads. Setting up Google Ads to help solve these problems right here is a very simple thing in the Google Ads Manager. On Pinterest, all I had to do was get 10 different pins created for each of these digital products right here and boost some of those pins on Pinterest to drive traffic. And it's kind of set it and forget it. So when it comes to making money selling premium digital products, it sells itself. So whenever people come to these products and they visit these product landing pages and they see that it's going to help solve their problem, I mean, it don't take a rocket scientist to say, if I want to start a physical product business, I need a vendor. So I'm going to buy a vendors list with over 3,000 vendors in different niches. It doesn't take a rocket scientist to say, if I want to buy a home and I need better credit to improve my credit over the next 6 to 8 months, I'm going to buy Simple Credit Repair to do just that. So premium digital products is something that once you get your hands on, the sky is truly the limit. Now, if you want to gain access to these exact premium digital products, plus nearly 200 more, even though you don't have to sell 200 products, but if you want to get your hands on that many digital products, what you want to do is you want to click on the link in the description of this video in order to do just that. You can try doing this on your own. You can pay somebody hundreds of dollars to create premium digital products like this vendors list right here if you want to. But if you want to take the easy route and sell not only these exact products right here, but nearly 200 more premium digital products, hit the link in the description of this video to go ahead and copy exactly what I'm doing in order to make this all possible. There's no promise that you're going to make $260,000 or even $260. But I'll tell you this, once you get your hands on the right premium digital products, more than 50% of the hard part is done. And the only thing you got to focus on is marketing those products. Tap the link in the description once again to get your hands on super premium digital products so you too can be on your way to making very serious money selling digital products that you didn't even create, and so you can create more freedom in your life as well. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment below and let me know if you have any questions. If you do, I'll definitely answer those questions, or you can shoot me an email. My email is also below. But go ahead and grab access to these digital products and start selling them, because there's a lot of money to be made, as you can already see.